unnecessarily don't speak, okay? Unless and until I call you up. Fine, Divya. Do you know the answer? Say yes or no, at least in the chat box, if you are unable to speak. Harshita, Harshita, no, Harshita. Do you know the first contra entry?
Is cash account to bank account?
I'm not talking about journal entry. Just tell me the transaction for which we write a contra. The first transaction. Okay, what you said is right, but towards what you generally make that contra? But that is not the
Ma'am,
first. Yeah.
whenever the cash account and bank account both are involved in the transaction, it's called a contra entry.
Yes. Give me one example.
Ma'am, when we receive cash and the cash is deposited in the bank.
When you receive cash and when it is being deposited in the bank. So when the cash is deposited into the right?
What, ma'am?
Okay.
Actually, there's a mistake. I'm not able to hear you.
Please, Shita, Harshita, mute yourself. Yeah. Next, Madan.
Yes,
Madan,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
good. Can you tell me another example for the contra entry? She said cash
Cash withdraw
deposited
for
into the
office.
bank. Just
Cash withdraw for office use, ma'am.
very good. Cash withdrawn from where?
From bank, ma'am.
From
Bank.
bank. So cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Okay, can you just tell me the journal entry for the same?
Cash account data to bank account, ma'am.
Cash account data to bank account. But what Harshita, she told me cash to bank, but she gave me the example of, cash deposited into the bank. So the entry, what she said is not matching with the transaction, what she has given. Okay, but anyways, next, Manideep. Oh, good, Madan. Very good. Manideep, can we have Manideep? Vinay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is that? Manideep. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Manideep. Okay. Can you give me the third example for the contra?
Ma'am, withdrawn cash from bank for office use, ma'am.
Just now, Madan has told the same thing. Withdrawing cash from the bank for the office use is the second, example for the contra. I want the third one now. Yeah. Anyone knows the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want it from Neha. Okay. Anyone else? Tabassum?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Tabassum?
Ye
Who is that?
yes, ma'am. When
Tabassum. Yeah.
when
Yes,
check is
Tabassum. Yeah.
received, when check is received
Yeah.
and it doesn't deposit on the same day, then we get contract.
Very good. When the check is being received and when it is not deposited on the same day, okay, then how we are going to treat the check when it is being received?
When check is received, we will write cash account data to to bank account.
Hello. If you write cash to bank, then that becomes a contra, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the check is being received, on that day we debit it as cash, as
Cash, ma'am.
And
cash account
credit
debit
the name.
to credit the name. That is a credit the giver. Like whoever is giving the check to us, that person's name has to be credited. Now
Credited.
on the day of deposit, okay, on the day of deposit of the same check, what you're going to write?
Can I say, ma'am?
Cash to bank.
Yes,
Ma'am, bank to
Tamsil,
cash,
yes.
ma'am.
Bank
1 minute,
account
1
debit
minute,
to
1
Bank
minute.
cash.
account debit to cash.
Just
Ma'am,
hold on,
bank account debit to cash
Neha.
account.
Just hold on.
Okay, ma'am, I
Tabassum,
won't
come on.
speak.
Can you
Tabassum.
repeat question, ma'am?
I said on the day of this deposit of that particular check, what is the entry you're going to write?
Bank account attached to cash account.
But just now you said cash to bank, right?
No.
You said.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine.
I was
So
just writing all contra entries.
please don't get confused, okay, with the contra entry. So either you deposit, or whenever you deposit a check into the bank, the entry will be the same, that is what is going out. So depositing a check or depositing the cash into the bank, the entry is going to be the same. But if you are depositing the check
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is
Ma'am, your
breaking,
voice
ma'am.
is breaking.
into
Your
the
voice is
bank, so in
breaking.
that case we write bank.
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
voice
we're
is
not
breaking.
able to hear you.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, is it still breaking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
then yeah, I got the message that there is a bad network quality, so please bear with me, okay, for some time, um, till it is rectified. Now, so if the check is being received and if it has been deposited on the same day, we write bank to the person's name, okay. But if the check is being received and deposited on a later day, first we write cash to person's name, okay. The person's name has to be credited. Then on the day of a deposit of that particular check, okay, we write bank to cash, okay, children.
Cash.
So here, yeah, let me
Yes,
share the
ma'am.
screen
Ma'am,
and yeah. Yes,
ma'am,
any doubts?
what if the check is dishonored or if it is
That
bounced?
that
Then
we'll do,
what?
we'll do. Yeah, we are going to
Okay.
do that. Okay. Yeah. If it gets dishonor and all, that is again a different transaction which has to be recorded, right? So yeah. Can you all see the question?
No, ma'am, it's
Is it?
blank.
No, ma'am.
It will come. It will come. I have already shared the screen.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because it takes some seconds or minutes to load. So now coming to the ninth question. Have completed up to August 19th, right? So where the check has been received, from Athal, and it is also been deposited into the bank. Okay, check received from Athal and deposited in the bank on a later date. Now coming to right. Now coming to the next transaction here, that is on 19th. Now all of you look into the question. Okay, so as on 19th, that is on the same day, we have drawn a check for the petty cash. Okay, so here a check has been drawn for the petty cash. So you can say that the petty cash is coming in from the bank. So debit what comes in and credit the giver. So here we create an account in the name of petty cash account, because whenever any amount of the expenses which needs to be recorded, okay, which is towards very petty expenses in the sense what, which is very small in denominations, right? So therefore that cannot be recorded in this main cash book. Now this is to be called as a main cash book. So therefore such petty expenses cannot be recorded over here. So therefore we have a separate book, okay, for which the petty expenses can be maintained. So therefore towards that petty expenses here, okay, we are withdrawing some cash, and this withdrawal has been made as on August 19th. And here, because it's a payment which is being made from the bank, so we write it as by petty expenses, by petty expenses. And in the amount column, that is in the bank column, the amount which is being withdrawn towards the petty expenses is 150. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, coming to the next one, again the cash is being withdrawn for office use. So whenever the cash is being withdrawn for office use, so here you can see on the right side, withdrawn cash from bank for office use. So it is understood that we are withdrawing the cash from the bank, right? So therefore cash is coming in, and the credit the giver, that is a bank. So first coming to the debit side of the cash book, and the date to be taken over here is August 20, and in the particulars column, so we have to take two bank account, and in the cash column, okay, in the cash column the amount which is being withdrawn is 500, and go to the ledger folio column and denote that as contra. Then coming on to the credit side, that is on to the payments side, again on August 20th. So here we write it as by cash from the bank column. So first contra in the ledger folio column, and in the bank column the amount to be taken is 500. Is it clear, children? Contra on either side of the cash book. So on the
Yes.
debit side we write the credit aspect, that is to bank, and on the credit side we write the debit aspect, that is by cash. Now coming to the next one, dividend received by check 50 rupees and deposited in the bank on the same day. So here now you should understand that a check has been received towards the dividends. So dividends is an income to the business, and here on the same day we have deposited the check in the bank. So if the check is being deposited on the same day, right, we write directly the entry as debit the receiver, okay, debit the receiver. So therefore, because it is a receipt, so on to the receipt side, that is the date is August 24th, and in the particulars column you are going to write it as to dividends, because here we are receiving an income. So debit the receiver and credit the income. So in the bank column the amount here is 50 rupees. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you explain
Yes.
August 20 again? August 20.
August 20 is cash withdrawn for office use. It's a contra entry.
Ma'am, then
Cash,
the entry would be to cash and buy bank, no? Or buy
cash,
cash.
cash withdrawn for office use. Office use.
Not from bank.
From bank only.
From bank only, but for office use.
So debit what comes in? Cash is coming in.
So you have debited to bank.
I have
No,
not
it's credited.
listen. Look into this. Here, can you see? I'm just highlighting a transaction here, a journal entry.
Yes, ma'am.
See in the box. What do you write when the cash has been withdrawn from the bank for the office use? Cash is coming in. Credit the giver.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash is coming in. So this has to be posted, right, onto the debit side. Cash is debited. So in the cash account onto the debit side. It's called as in the cash account onto the
To
debit
bank.
side. To
Yes,
bank.
ma'am.
And the bank is being credited here. So in the bank account onto the credit side by cash. It is posting of the journal on either
Yes.
side of the cash book. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain the 24th one also?
24th is what we are receiving income. So, for example, if a dividend received, if it is being given as received dividend, what do you write?
Cash account data to dividend account.
That's it. Cash is coming in and credit the income, right? Now here, received dividends in the form of check. Received dividends by check.
Bank account data to dividends account.
That's it. We write bank to dividends. But here, when you are preparing a 3-column cashback, you should also see whether you are depositing the check on the same day or not. Suppose if you are making separate accounts for the cash as well as the bank, then directly we post that into the bank account. But because it is a 3-column, then you have to take care of whether we are depositing the check on the same day or not. Because it's very clearly mentioned that the check has been deposited on the same day. That is the reason we have written it as bank account debit to dividends account. So on the debit side of the bank account, 2 dividends in the bank column 500. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, that is commission received by check. Commission has been received by check and deposited in the bank on 28th here. So on which date we have deposited here? It is being deposited on 28th. That means on the same
28.
day we have not deposited, isn't it? So the check has not been deposited on the same day. So how we are going to treat the check as?
Cash.
Cash.
As
Contract.
cash.
So what will be the entry for this?
Cash account
Cash
debited to
account debit
commission.
to commission account.
Very good. So cash account debit to commission accounts here. So therefore in the cash column, uh, one second children. I'm just looking for something, but okay, fine. So coming to the cash onto the debit side. So here August, the date is 25th. Then to commission, and in the cash column we write the amount as 230. Now if you just see immediately the next transaction that is happening on 29th, so before 29th the 28th arrives, so therefore now this particular check is being deposited into the bank. So when the checks are being deposited on a later day, okay, what do? We write a contra entry. So as on August 28th, okay, so bank account debit to cash, right? So to cash onto the debit side. Then in the ledger folio column, contra, and here directly in the bank column 230. Then coming to the credit side, as on August 28th. Then here by bank, and again contra in the ledger folio column. Then here it will be written in the cash column. So whatever we have shown as a debit in the cash column, okay, has been cancelled, okay, has been cancelled when you have posted the same thing onto the credit side, okay. Now coming to the next transaction, that is drew from bank for office use. So again we are withdrawing cash from bank for office use. So whenever the cash is being withdrawn from bank for office use, cash is coming into the business. So debit what comes in and credit the giver. So as bank is the giver of this particular cash. So therefore as on August 29th, okay, so cash to bank again. So to bank in the cash column, and again don't get confused, okay, to cash in the to bank in the cash column, that is 1500. Then coming to the credit side here, that is as on August 29th. Again here buy, it is cash. Again here in the ledger folio contra, and the cash is coming out from the bank. So in the bank column, take the amount as 1500. Okay. Now finally we are left with 3 more transactions, and that is paid salary of the manager by check. So here we are paying an expense, so because salary is an expense, right? So debit the expense as per the nominal account, and because the salary has been paid here by check, okay, so the credit, what is going out, or we can also say credit the giver, because the check is going out from the business, and here the bank is is supposed to pay the amount towards the check. So therefore on the payment side, okay, so that is on August 29th, again that is on the same day. So here by salary, the bank column 500. Now again we have deposited cash in the bank. So can anyone tell me what is the entry?
Bank
Bank account
account
debit to
debit to
cash.
cash account.
Bank account data to cash
Bank
account.
account data to cash account. So that is on
Cash
30.
account.
So bank to cash, because we are depositing here. So bank to cash, and it's a contra, right? So in the ledger folio contra, and in the bank column, okay, 10,000 has been deposited. Now coming to the credit side again, August, it's 30th. Then here by bank, and contra in the ledger folio. Then coming to the cash column, it is 10,000. Okay, so bank to cash. So in the bank to cash,
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
written in bank
you written
account.
in bank account, ma'am.
This side, credit side.
Amount.
bank to cash. Okay, sorry. Cash. Yes, good. So this is what I wanted from you. You should be in a position to make the corrections. The next, check for commission rupees 230 returned by bank, okay, as dishonored. Returned by bank as dishonored. So whatever the check which we have previously received, that is on August 25th, right, towards the commission, has been dishonored, right? So if it has been dishonored, what is going to happen? We need to cancel the check. So if you are going to cancel the check, now already the check is with the banker, right? So here you can see it is in the bank account 230, but whereas the same 230 has already been cancelled in the cash column. You can see on either side of the cash it is already been cancelled. Now the entry what is left over here is what? Bank to commission. Is it clear? The entry was bank to commission. Now when it is being dishonored, okay, what you are going to do here? You are going to put
Commission
it
to bank.
onto the credit side as commission to bank. So in the bank column by commission. Okay, so here we will cancel it as 230. So again, whatever we debited here, we need to credit so that the account gets cancelled. The check will get cancelled. So that is to be called as dishonored. Okay, so if you want here, you can put it in the brackets, dishonored. Dishonored means whoever has given us this particular check has no funds in the bank to honor the check. Okay, so with this we have come to an end of all the balances. So let us quickly take the totals here. So I'm just doing the totals with the help of the Excel, right? So now what I want you all to know is yeah, I got the totals of all. Okay. Now if you just see the cash account, all of you pay attention towards the cash. Now, the cash onto the debit side is 24,130, whereas on the credit side it is 22,820. Okay. So now which side is more?
Debit side.
Debit
Debit
side.
side is more. So take the total of the debit on either side. Okay. Now, can you just tell me what is the difference here?
1310.
1310. So, therefore, now closing date, that is August 31st. So, here we write by balance. Okay.
Ma'am, by balance carried
Carried
down.
down, no ma'am.
Yeah. Carried down, and the total over here is 1003. So I'm removing this
Yes, ma'am.
total. Now coming to the bank account here. Now can you tell me which side is more?
Debit side.
Okay.
Debit side.
Debit side. So I'm taking the total of the debit side on either side here. 20,280, 20,280. Now can you just give me what is the balance?
11,700.
So again, because
11,700.
on the credit side the amount is lesser, so 11,700 as by balance carried down. Clear with this, all of you? Now again coming
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the next month, that is September 1st. Okay, to balance brought down. So we bring the opening balance of cash as 1,310 and the bank as 11,700. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Ma'am, I did not
Yes, ma'am.
understand 30th line.
20th. 20th transaction.
30th August, I did not understand, ma'am.
30th August we have two transactions. Which one you didn't follow?
Why did you write contra over there? I didn't understand, ma'am, for August 30th.
Contra you didn't follow?
No, ma'am. I got
Who is it?
confused.
Who is
Haima, ma'am.
this?
I'm
Hema.
Haima, ma'am. Yes,
Haima. Okay, Haima, what you do is, because you are from non-commerce, right? So
yes.
please write down these three transactions. See, you can see on the right side. I will try to share this in the WhatsApp group. So go through these three transactions and you just roughly create a cash book and try to make the postings on either side. Okay. When the cash is being deposited into the bank, deposited cash in the bank, right? So the entry will be bank account debit to cash account. Haima, it is
Yes.
bank to cash. So what is going to happen here? On the debit side, first we write to cash. Okay, on the debit side, first we write to cash and to cash in the bank column. So let me remove these totals also because we getting confused again, right? So bank account debit to cash in the bank column, you should practice it like that, okay? And on the credit side, by bank in the cash column, because even when you are going to make the postings normally in the ledger accounts, right, we always take the opposite aspects, right? So if you are posting in the bank account, we write to cash on the debit side. If you are posting in the cash account, because it is being credited onto the credit side, we write by bank. So this is how you just need to practice, Hima. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm listening.
Yeah. So this really needs a practice. You will not going to get in one class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
yeah. Shall we go through the next problem? If you are okay with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not going to do immediately the 10th problem, but I would like to just discuss the problem number 11. Okay, 11 also we have two transactions on one single day. So let us come to the 12th one. 12th problem. So it is almost similar to the 9th one. All of you look into the 12th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So enter the following transactions in cash book. You want me to share? Okay, I'll put it on the screen. enter the following transactions in cash book, right? So here the transactions are been starting, okay, from January 1st and the year is 2006. So whenever you are having cash in hand and the balance at the bank, that means this is a favorable balance. That means this amount of the cash is there as a deposit in the bank account. As I told you that every business needs to have a current account, right? So in the current account, the balance which is available is 15,490. So whenever you have the balances, right? So in the 3-column cash book, yeah, on to the debit side, okay. Just see, I think both the documents are visible on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now here you can see on to the debit side, okay, you can write 2006 and the date will be given as January 1st, and to balance brought down the amount of the cash in the cash column and the amount of the bank in the bank column. Okay? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now I want any one of you to come forward and explain me the cash sales. Any one of you.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, who is
Ma'am,
this?
may I? My name is Maria.
Maria. Yes, Maria.
Yes. Cash sales is cash account debit to sales account. So cash is debit. So we have 3rd August and the amount will be written in the cash column.
Very good. Everyone
Thank
has followed this?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one. Paid into bank. Anyone?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can
Yeah, please tell your name and then you start
Yes, ma'am.
explaining. Yeah,
Megha, ma'am.
Megha. Yes, Megha.
Paid into bank. The bank is the receiver. So
Yeah.
the journal entry will be bank account data to cash account.
Okay.
So the on the credit side of the book, we have to write by bank and the amount in the bank column 7,000.
Yeah. No, what you said, the
No, ma'am.
postings, yeah, it's wrong. By bank, you
Uh,
said bank column only.
bank by cash.
Paid into bank means what? Here we are depositing into the bank, right? Paid into the bank means cash is being deposited into the bank. So the entry will be bank account debit to cash account 7,000, 7,000. So in the bank account onto the debit
To
side
bank.
to cash in the bank column, and here onto the credit side we write by bank in the cash column 7,000. Yes?
It's a payment, no, ma'am.
Paid in the sense for depositing. Don't think it is a payment.
Contract.
Paid means deposit. This is also you need to understand. Whenever you pay, no, paid into bank means we are depositing into the bank. Because these terminologies are very, very important to understand. Because frequently, we come across these kind of words even when you're doing the bank reconciliation statement. So the meaning of paid into bank means deposited into bank. Don't think that paid means we are making a payment. Okay, next. Received a check, from for 700 from Satyam. So received a check for rupees 700 from Satyam. So whenever a check has been received, the first
Ma'am,
thing.
may I try?
1 minute. Okay. Whenever a check has been, who is this? Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Neha.
So here we got an entry, received a check for 700 from Satyam.
Hmm.
So the journal entry would be cash account debit to Satyam
Why you're
and we
writing
will
cash
put
to
on
Satyam? Why you're writing cash to Satyam?
because we received the check, no, and we didn't deposited the check on that same day. As on 8th, it's written paid into
how did you
bank
get,
Satyam's check.
listen to me, how did you
As
get
on,
to, Neha, how did you get
yes,
to know
ma'am.
that, you know, we have not deposited it on the same day?
Because the date 8th, after that transaction, it is written paid
Yeah.
into bank Satyam's check. That's
Oh,
why it is not deposited on the same day.
very
Thus,
good.
we'll do the entry onto the
Yeah.
debit side of the 3-column cash book as to Satyam and 700 amount.
Hmm.
After that, what we'll do for the date of January 8th,
Yeah.
as we paid Satyam's check in bank, we'll
Hmm.
provide a
Ma'am,
contra
transfer
entry.
receiver.
Yeah.
We'll
So what?
provide a contra entry and we would write onto the debit side to cash as we paid it into bank, and onto the credit side we'll write by bank as bank receipt. So this is what it is.
Key.
In
Oh
that
wow. Oh man, আমার লাগছে এ আরে পেট লাগছে
someone's mic is on. So,
ওম নারায়ণ
Joshi? No, it can't be Joshi. Some Bengali, right? Okay, fine. So it is, you know,
Ma'am. Hello.
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 Yes.
Ma'am called me, no, ma'am. Joshi.
Yeah,
What, ma'am?
someone's mic was on. I thought it was yours.
No, ma'am.
Okay, please, whoever it is, try to mute yourself. It really disturbing the class. Next. So here, now whenever you are coming across, you know, received a check, immediately you have to go through remaining all the transactions until, you know, you have to check, I mean, at the end of the month, okay, till the end of the month. And if you are not coming across anywhere, you know, that particular check is being deposited on, you know, on any of these days, right? So in that case, you have to assume that the check is being deposited on the same day. Now here we received a check on 6 and it is being deposited on 8. Suppose if this 8th transaction is not being given anywhere, okay, then we make an assumption that it is being deposited on 6th itself. Okay, this is what I wanted to, you know, make you all understand. Now coming to next, paid to Anurag by check. So if any payments has been made in the form of a check, okay, anyone would like to explain this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Megha.
Mega, yes, Mega.
Paid to Anurag by check on the credit side. By Anurag on the amount in the bank column, ma'am, and
How much you
also
are
the
going to write?
discount
Amount, how much you are going
980
to?
to bank.
980. Okay, and discount?
Discount allowed by him means we are receiving the discount. So
Very good.
discount received in the 20 in the discount received column 20 rupees.
Okay, right, done. So I hope now you can do cash purchases, right? You can do the cash purchases. You can also do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
other remaining contra entries. I don't think so. The rest of the entries are, you know, that difficult, excepting on 19th. Okay, so on 15th we have received a check for rupees 950 from Lakshman and allowed him discount. So you all know very well what is to be done. And on 19th we have paid into bank Lakshman's check as well as cash. That means here we are depositing
Ma'am, can you
950.
scroll it up? We
Yeah.
are not able to see the question.
Okay, yeah. And on 15th here you can have, I mean, the transaction is received a check, okay, for rupees 950, and on 19th is saying that paid into bank Lakshman's check, paid into bank Lakshman's check as well as the cash. Okay, so Lakshman's check is 950 rupees and the cash what is being deposited is 4000 rupees. So whether it is a check or whether it is a cash, the entry is going to be the same, that is bank account to debit to cash account, that is 4950. Am I clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so make the contra accordingly, and I
That
think,
means that the Ma'am, it means that the total amount due from Lakshman was 1,000, right?
No, yeah, that is due from Lakshman is 1000. No, I'm talking
Okay,
about the
ma'am.
19th. We are also depositing, along with the check, we are also depositing cash. So your check is being deposited as well as cash is also being deposited on the same day. So instead of making two different entries for 950 and 4000 separately, make one single entry. That is
Okay,
bank
means we
account
have to
debit.
write 4,950.
Yeah, 4950. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then I hope the rest of the transactions paid commission to Rakesh, so buy commission on the payment side and received check from Mohan and deposited the same into the bank. So I know very well how the treatment has to be given, right? So you all must be knowing about this. Okay, now next on 27th, Lakshman's check is being dishonored. So what is the amount of the Lakshman's check here?
9,500.
950, not
950.
9,000.
4,980.
Yeah, this is what you're going to make a mistake. The Lakshman's check is only 950. 950. So when the Lakshman's check is being dishonored, onto the credit side, that is onto the payment side, write on by Lakshman, okay, in the bank column 950, and also the discount whatever we allowed to him earlier will be cancelled, because when you are not receiving any money from him, definitely he is not going to get any discount, because discount will be given only when you receive the payments on time, right? Then drew a check for personal use, so by drawings onto the credit side, and here salary has been paid by check as well as by cash. So on the payments side, write down by salary, okay, in the bank column 1500 and in the cash column 500. And here the bank charges 20 as well as the insurance premium 520 is being showing according to the passbook. So passbook is being maintained always by the banker, so therefore it is always a deduction to be given from the bank balance. So onto the payments side, write it as by bank charges and by insurance premium in the bank column, okay, against bank charges 20 rupees and against the insurance premium 520 rupees. So try to complete this problem
Ma'am,
as today's homework.
ma'am,
Yeah.
can you please do the Lakshman's transaction in the 3-column cash flow? That
Yes,
transaction.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Just now we have done one dishonor entry, right? Commission. So here, what do you write when you receive it? We write it to Lakshman on the debit side. 950 and 50. 950 and 50.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will get it.
Yes,
And on the
ma'am.
credit side, when it is being dishonored, what do you do? By Lakshman in the bracket, show it as dishonor. In the discount column 50 rupees and in the bank column 950 rupees.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, ma'am,
Understood?
got it.
Yeah. If you want, I will just try to share the solution for the same, okay? But first try to do by yourself. If you're not getting it, then we'll see. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Give the attendance quickly. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
11, ma'am.
8, okay, 8,
Present. Present.
9,
Present.
Present,
9,
ma'am.
10,
Present.
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16, 16 is not attending, 17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Ma'am, due
19.
to power cut, she is unable to
Okay.
attend, ma'am.
Okay. 20, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am. 25.
6, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 35,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. 35.
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am. 42.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 48,
Present, ma'am.
49, okay, 50, yes, Divya, 50,
Present, ma'am.
Alagi, 51,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
52,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 51.
50,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
okay, I heard, 52,
52. Present, ma'am.
53, 53, 54,
Present, ma'am.
55, okay, done, Kavita, 56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you, children. A very happy Diwali to all of you. And we are
Thank you,
going to
ma'am.
again meet only on Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay?
Same to you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to
Thanks,
you.
good night.
Same to you, ma'am.
Happy Diwali, ma'am. Stay safe.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.